First reaction. Hi, my name is Shara. Welcome to my channel and welcome back if you're already subscribed. Today we're going to be doing a Fenty perfume unboxing. So the Fenty perfume comes in this box to ship. Now, I haven't really heard much about the perfume. I did order it. On early release, but I believe that it released to everybody like the following day. So it just got to me today. I had to see what this billionaire perfume smells like. Okay, so the brown box looks like it's the actual product packaging. Okay. Comes with this little card. This is what we're here for. This is the $120 sold out perfume. So as you can see, it comes in this little blue box. Super cute. And the actual perfume is in this amber bottle. Oops, the top fell off. Okay, here it is. Now let's see what it actually smells like. First reaction. Y'all. I'm looking for the words. Smelling it out the bottle, it's not really gravitating towards me. It smells very soft, very fruity. I know that it has a tangerine blueberry note at the top. It's really so far not giving what I expected it to give. I mean, this is like a billionaire perfume, right? So I really was expecting more. It's not bad, but it's very light. And like I said, it's very fruity. And I normally don't wear fruity perfumes. So maybe that is what my qualm is with it so far. But let's spray it on and see what it's given. After spraying it on, it does smell a little bit better. I would give this fragrance y'all, I'm gonna give it maybe a 6 out of 10. I don't know. I really don't want to do this. I don't. I'm trying to smell it over and over and over again to make it much better. But maybe it's my fault. Maybe it's my expectations. I don't know. I don't know. It's supposed to be for men and women. I really am not getting that vibe from it. Well, as of now, I'm going to keep it, and then I'm going to see if it grows on me, and then I'll decide from there. But right now, my first impression is that it's just not something that I personally like. The reviews I saw so far has been hyping this perfume up, like saying it definitely smell rich and woo, like this is the bomb. And y'all, I don't know. That's just not what it's giving for me. For me, it's just not giving that. Well, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not already. Do not, Rihanna Navy, don't come up on my channel and be giving me thumbs down because I don't like this perfume. Don't even do that, okay? Thank you.